oganda luo kendo aduoko erokamano maduong' ahinya ne jomo biro gi joma neno e mbui. Tadwa ni mondo mi ung'e ni mondo ne wachop kaka wuono ne ok yot ahinya. Just like my brother said, the Honorable Pio and I, there are those who thought that this day would not come to pass. Shame on them. And allow me to thank our only leader, the only leader we know in Kenya, the Honorable Raila Odinga. Baba stood firm for the Luo nation. If he did not stand firm, we would not be here today. And just like Opia has said, that should be the last joke that we expect to see anywhere in our land. You cannot micromanage our culture. You cannot even attempt to micromanage us. Allow me to recognize the four speakers if they are there. The Speaker of Siaya, the Honorable Okode, are you somewhere? The Speaker of Kisumu, Elisha Jakoraro, Erokamano, and I know we have the Speaker of Migori, Nentieka. I saw him much earlier, and the Speaker of Homa Bay, Osiebna Erokamano Wungaya. Omiyo kawuono wachopo ka Erokamano kanyakla wa mar oganda kaka joluo. Mosetero kama wantieni to be mosemiyo jodala ma Kenya mosemiyo Kenya osego steps kanyakla wano emanokelo independence. Kajaramogi owacho no independence without Kenyatta.